So once your plants are getting going, you've transplanted, now you're wanting them to grow and flower beautifully. What is the next thing that you do? Well, we use Multigro. Multigro is a combination of organic and inorganic compounds. It's got fulvic acid in it, seaweed complex, and it has a strong base of nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. What does that all mean? Aha! It basically means there's a whole lot of things in there that are going to be really good for your plants. And of course, the last element that's added into this is magnesium. All of these things linked together give you one steroid-induced plant food that is going to really make a difference in your lives. So how do we use it? The one way of using it is to take one little sachet, pop it into 1 liter of water. The sachets come in the little box like this. You get 3 sachets, 5 mils, so it's 5 mils into 1 liter, and that is for a foliar spray. Now, foliar spray is really a good way to get very quick results out of your plants, because as you're applying it to the plant, what's happening is it's absorbing the nutrients through its stomata, getting into the plant immediately. And it also is a good pick-me-upper. Plants have been through a bit of stress, or you're wanting to encourage flowering, give them a foliar feed, and it really does give you some good results. The other way that you can do it is to take 5 mils, which is 1 sachet, into 5 liters of water. That can be applied as a drench. So that will be over your garden beds, over your seedlings, or even just into your lawn if it's looking stressed out and you want to improve the strength of it. So Multigro is one of those products that you can use to encourage your flowering, general plant health, and the most important part is that it's got a really good combination of organic mixed with your inorganic compounds. So Multigro is a sustainable product. And what does that mean to me? It's a big word. What it means at the end of the day is that it's doing good for the environment. It's going to be very safe for me and my family. It doesn't harm bees, it doesn't harm butterflies or ladybirds, and it doesn't harm fur kids or even cat kids. And that gives me peace of mind.